When a major leak or flood strikes, simply wiping up the visible water is never enough. Professional structural drying is a precise science designed to save the very framework of your home. Water quickly absorbs into porous building materials like drywall, wood framing, and concrete subfloors. This hidden moisture threatens the structural integrity of your house and must be actively pulled out. The process begins with advanced diagnostics. Technicians use thermal imaging cameras and penetrating moisture meters to map out exactly where water is trapped invisibly behind walls and under solid floors. Before the actual drying can begin, heavy-duty extraction is required. Powerful vacuums and weighted compression machines physically pull the maximum amount of bulk water out of carpets and underlying padding. Next, specialized high-velocity air movers are positioned strategically. These machines blast dry air aggressively across wet surfaces, breaking the moisture barrier and forcing trapped water to evaporate into the room. Rapid evaporation creates massive indoor humidity. Commercial-grade dehumidifiers are deployed simultaneously to capture this airborne moisture, condensing it back into a liquid and pumping it completely out of the house. Temperature control is a highly critical component. Drying equipment operates most efficiently within a specific temperature range, so technicians carefully monitor the climate to ensure maximum moisture evaporation rates. To isolate the damage and increase efficiency, professionals often build containment zones. Heavy plastic sheeting is used to seal off wet rooms, concentrating the intense drying power exactly where it is needed most. Structural drying is never a set-it-and-forget-it process. It requires daily monitoring. Technicians take precise atmospheric readings every single day to reposition equipment as the moisture levels slowly drop. Ending the process too early is extremely dangerous. If the drying equipment is removed before the internal framing reaches its natural dry standard, hidden mold growth and severe wood rot are inevitable. Don't let hidden moisture destroy your property from the inside out. For rapid, scientifically proven structural drying, trust the experts. Call Gold Coast Flood Restorations today at 619-449-9611.